Welcome, in front of me ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not respond. For sure, if you damaged your screen, it's impossible to fix it using program features, using program manipulations. You just need to take your device to the customer service. But if your screen is not damaged, but only because of Android system is lagging, your screen doesn't respond, you just need to press and hold together power and volume up buttons during 10 seconds. Then when you will feel vibration, you will need to release both keys and just wait a while. You will open the Android recovery mode. So here we just need to click on the power button once when your blue line is on reboot system now, and click on the power button and wait a while until your device will normally reboot. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.